In the following video we would like to show you how to use the loadsols or the load pads for the first measurements. The first part of the video shows how to get the loadsols and the load pads ready for the first measurement. Based on the type of electronics, we can distinguish in between the standard electronics for the loadsols or the load pads and the pro electronics for the loadsol or load pads. The difference is that the standard electronics is powered by a regular coin cell type CR2032. And the data are always online streamed to the app, while on the Pro electronics, we have a built-in rechargeable battery, onboard memory, and optional also IMUs. Now I would like to show you how to prepare the loadsol with the standard electronics for the first use. Therefore, please have a VARTA type CR2032 ready. We recommend VARTA because this one is fitting best in the battery compartment. After opening the blister, take the electronics. Please do not open at all those two clips. The battery compartment is the back side. Here's the gray one. Just lift it a little bit and then you can put in the battery here. Make sure that the plus sign of the battery is always facing towards yourself when you insert that. Just put that here on top and click it in. That's all. Now you can see the green LED is flashing, and that means the system is ready to be used. For the LoadTech Pro, that comes with a rechargeable battery, and this battery can be charged through the micro USB, which can be seen here. Also, this port can be used to read the data from the onboard memory. Before you use it for the first time, please make sure that the battery inside the electronics is charged. To get the system ready to be connected to the app, just press here. You see a short green flash, and now there are blue double flashes showing that the LoadTech Pro is broadcasting for the Load app on the device, which is right next to it. To use the system for the first time, it's required to download the app from the App Store or from Google Play. Therefore, you type in Load app and download it. Then it will be installed, and afterwards the Load app opens with the following screen. Now, if one wants to start recording, it is required first to switch on the loadsols or the load pads on the housing of the devices. The second step is then to go to Manage Sensors, and here it will be shown which sensors are close by to get connected. Select now Connect. Then the first sensor will be connected, and then one can connect the second sensor. Now it's highly recommended to check the calibration. For loadsols, that could be done with a body weight, while for load pads, some dead weights could be used. Go and check calibration, unload the left insole, unload the right insole and confirm. And now we can see on each side here the forces. If one wants to have that, which is a wrong unit, in kilograms displayed, you go here, you lift 1 foot, and then here you should see within 10% the body weight of the person, or the weight of the applied dead weight. If this is not the case, the insoles can be also adjusted again. That will be shown in a separate video. Now we go twice back here and we can go to the measurement procedure. And we wanted to start with a live chart. Here we can see which is the frame rate of the sensors for the loadsol Pro. We have also optional IMUs included. Since these are the regular loadsols here, no IMU data are available. First, again, we have to do a zero measurement. We unload the left foot, we press confirm, and for the right side too. And now we can ask the person to start walking or to do the exercise. And we start, and we can see here now the display. The red curve is for the left foot and the blue curve is for the right foot. If one wants to stop data acquisition now, you just go on stop and it will ask you once more. If you really want to stop the measurement, you go on stop again and the data will be saved temporarily. Here you have a quick overview, how many sensors were connected, what was the measuring time, and it's also possible to add a note here. So you can say, for instance, first measurement, and one can say now save, and save once more, and now the data are saved in the memory of the phone or the smart device. We can now either go to start new, do a second measurement. If required, one can also do now a new zero measurement for left and right and start again measuring, as one can see here. Here we can stop the measurement now and can also add a note. We always recommend to add notes just to make sure that you afterwards know exactly what was done. Can be saved here, can be saved. If you would like to go now to a preview of the previously measured data, you go on preview and one can see here the sequence of measurements done today. Here there is also the starting time of the measurement, and please note that always the latest measurement is on top. So if you want to go here, you just select this one, and now you can either look at the individual data by just clicking on that, and here we can see now the total curves and the sub areas. By selecting the menu, you can switch on the legend, which allows you also to switch off or on for the display the individual curves basically. So one can go here and we want to see, for instance, just the total force for left and right. We deselect those areas here, and then with two fingers one can zoom into that, and by keeping pressed on the display it's possible also to show the forces for the individual areas. From here we can also go back. You see again an overview about the measurements. The data can be also exported and saved as ASCII file, but there's also a basic gate analysis available which shows, for instance, what is the average force curves for left and right. We have peak force, cadence, swing time, and some more parameters, but that will be explained then in a different video. Another very nice feature within the Load app is that it's also possible to simultaneously video record. Therefore, go to live chart. Again, you see the connected sensors here, and you go to the menu over here and you select the mode for video recording. Then again, one can do a zero measurement for left and right, and one can start now the data acquisition, and it's now automatically recording the video during walking. And when one can stop now, just on a regular measurement, the data acquisition, can stop it again, data will be saved. You can add another node if you want. With video, can save it once more, and if you want to go to preview, you see you have set on top with video, and if you click now on the video display, you see also that you have it here with video, and you can go now frame by frame through it, move it over to the right position. And you can see simultaneously the person walking, use a measurement. The other information are exactly the same like before. It's also possible to share then the video. There are different settings like lower quality, balanced or best quality, which takes longer than for generation. And one can go now on generation to make that video, that overlay that shows then simultaneously the force data and the video data. If this has been finished, the overlay video can be then shared with everyone you want just by using the share button. I hope we could show you the basic functionality with that video. There will be some more videos also for the individual settings which are possible. The measurement with a load pad or with two load pads are exactly the same as described here. The only difference is that these are not measuring insoles, but then these are load pads. If you have any question or if you need further information, please contact us via mail support@novell.de or contact your local distributor. Thank you very much.